Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Lamborghini Gallardo. First, ensure your Gallardo is in neutral or park and the parking brake is engaged. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, insert the key into the ignition. You'll feel it click into place, preparing the car for the next sequence. Once the key is in, turn it to the on position. You'll see various dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the car's systems are powering up. Wait a few seconds for these lights to cycle and most to extinguish. This ensures all pre-start checks are complete. Then, locate the prominent red Start button, usually under a flip-up cover, and press it firmly to bring the powerful engine to life. After the engine roars to life, listen for a smooth, consistent idle. This indicates proper operation. Quickly scan the dashboard for any persistent warning lights. If any remain, consult your owner's manual. It's always a good practice to allow the engine a brief warm-up period, perhaps 1 to 2 minutes, especially in cooler temperatures, before engaging a gear and driving off. With the engine warm, engage first gear and release the parking brake. Drive smoothly, gradually increasing speed and avoiding abrupt acceleration or harsh braking, especially when the engine is still reaching optimal operating temperature. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regular maintenance, like oil changes every 5,000 miles, is vital for your Gallardo's longevity and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.